How to find the moderation form, list of assignments, and label form for the CSEC visual arts pieces. I will also show you the records of marks, moderation form feedback, and others.
Arts Workfly.
You're going to go in Google, type in csec.org, click Caribbean Examination Council Home, click Qualifications and Assessments. There you will see all the different types of examinations. Click CSEC. After you have clicked CSEC, it will take you to this page. You're going to click Subjects, then All. Then you will see all the different types of subjects, but we're focusing on visual arts. So you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see visual arts. It will then take you to another page. Go down, click SVA, and there you will see all the different forms. So you have the moderation form, record of marks, list of assignments, instruction to supervisor and invigilators, label and feedback. Click moderation form, and there you have it, a PDF of the moderation form, and it's available to print. Then you can go back, click record of marks, and there you have it, a form for the record of marks. Then you can go back, click list of assignments, and this is the form where you will write your questions that you have given to the students. Then if you go back again, you can see the instruction to the supervisor and the invigilators. So you can read this and get acquainted with it. Go back again and you can see the labels. So this is the labels to go on the back of the visual arts pieces, the drawing pieces, the painting pieces, the graphic pieces, whatsoever pieces that you have completed. Last but not least, the moderation feedback. So this is a form that they will use to give you feedback on the drawing pieces or on the artworks. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Arts Workfly. Together we are Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.